Are you a parent who's working harder than ever, but missing all the moments with your kids that matter? You leave before they wake up, you come home after they're asleep, and on the rare nights you make it to dinner, you're so exhausted you can barely be present. And here's what no one is telling you. Parents, just like you, are quietly building financial freedom right from the comfort of their home and firing their 9-to-5, finally to spend more time with the people they love. How? Meet Coach Chad Christian, a 34-year stock trading veteran who was exactly where you are. He knows what it's like to feel trapped, working hard but never getting ahead. That's why he created American Dream Trading. American Dream Trading gives you everything: live Zoom calls, daily trading classes, a community of moderators who support you, and Coach Chad's decades of expertise. This is training, not a gamble, a skill you'll have forever. The question is, are you ready to stop missing your kid's childhood and start being present for it? Join American Dream Trading today. Your family is waiting.